In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate shipping zones in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and how to set up zones and rates so your customers can see the correct shipping options at checkout. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, look to the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see the settings option. Go ahead and click on settings. This is where you control the core configuration of your store, including payments, checkout, and of course, shipping. Once you're inside the settings area, focus on the menu on the left-hand side. From that list, find and click on shipping and delivery. This section controls how your products are delivered, what your customers are charged, and which locations you ship to. Inside the shipping and delivery page, look for the area labeled General Shipping Rates. This is usually under the heading that refers to your main store location or your primary shipping profile. Click on General Shipping Rates. This is where you'll create and manage shipping zones and the rates attached to them. When you're in the General Shipping Rates section, scroll down until you find the Shipping Zones area. Shipping zones are basically groups of countries or regions that share the same shipping rules and prices. To create a new one, click on Add Shipping Zone. A pop-up window will appear. Here, you'll first want to give your shipping zone a clear, descriptive name. For example, you might use something like domestic, Europe, or international, depending on where you're shipping. After naming it, choose the countries or regions you want included in this zone. You can select an entire country or specific regions within that country. When you've finished selecting your locations, click Done to save the zone. Once your new shipping zone is created, you'll see a default custom rate appear under that zone. This is the price your customers in that zone will be charged for shipping. You can leave it as is, but in most cases, you'll want to adjust it. To edit this rate, click on the three dots or ellipsis next to the rate, then choose Edit Rate from the drop-down. In the Edit window, you can change the rate name to something your customers will understand, like Standard Shipping or Express Shipping, and then set the price you want to charge. When you're happy with the name and the amount, click Done to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully activated a shipping zone in Shopify and customized the rate for that zone.